My dear students of class 2, welcome you all for today's class. Today we are going to learn about EVS lesson number 3 together in my world. Now take out your EVS textbook, page number 24 and be ready with the page. So today we learn about lesson number 3 together in my world. That means who all are there in our world. First of all, family, friends, neighbors and many other people who live near or around us. Right now children, these all make us our world. Right? Now here you can see, take the things you love doing with your friends. The things what you love to do with your friends, in that put a tick mark. You love to play with your friends? Then put a tick mark. You love to fight with your friends? If yes, then put a tick mark. If no, then leave it. You love to laugh with your friends? Yes. You share jokes and stories with your friends? Yes. You love to talk with your friends a lot? If yes, put a tick mark. You share your things with your friends? If yes, put a tick mark. You want to celebrate festivals with your friends? If yes, put a tick mark. You eat food and you want to share your food with your friends? Then put a tick mark. Okay? Now let us go through the lesson. We live with our family members. Yes children, we all are living with our family members. Everyone has a family. Right? We care for them. Yes, we are taking care of them. We look after each other and help one another in different ways. Yes, we are doing in each and every moment. Yes or no? Similarly, we have other people living near us. Yes, they are living beside our house or near to our house or around our house. We should be loving, caring and kind towards them. Yes, we should be loving, caring and kind towards them. And even animals also wants to what? Wants to love them, no? Caring and kind, yes or no? Like that. Now come to the first topic, that is neighbors. The area near and around our house is called our neighborhood. People who stay in our neighborhood are our neighbors. Those who stay in our neighborhood are our neighbors. That means in Hindi what we say? Padosi, adosi, padosi. We are telling, no? Those who stay beside or near to our house or around our house, like that. Okay. So they all are known as our neighbors. Clear children? We celebrate festivals and special occasions together. Yes, we are doing, no? In our community area or in our neighborhood, we are doing, no, festivals and we are celebrating special occasions like Ganesh Puja, Holi, then what? Diwali, etc. etc. Good neighbors help each other in times of need. When we are need of help, then our neighbors are coming first to help us. We work together with our neighbors to make the neighborhood cleaner, greener and better. Here you can see in this picture, here all the neighbors came together to clean the area to look better, greener and cleaner. Okay, you can see in this picture children. Come to the next page. We must greet our neighbors when we meet them. We are telling no, hello auntie, hello uncle, hi Raj, how are you? We are wishing them no. We should be kind and polite towards them. Yes or no? We are telling no, politely. We should never disturb each other by playing loud music. Okay. Now, the next topic is friends. It's very important part in our life, right children? Friends are important people in our life. It is nice to have friends. We make friends in school and also in our neighborhood. We visit each other during free time or on special occasions. Right children? When you are coming to school, you are making lot of friends, and when you are at home, you have more friends in your neighborhood. And after completing your homework, you are playing with them, no? Like that only. We play, talk and go on picnics and outings with our friends. Are you going children? Are you talking with your friends? Are you going to picnics, outings? The same way. Okay. These activities are all means of recreation. That means enjoy. Okay. Recreation activities. Such activities make us feel refreshed and relaxed. After a lot of work, you are asking your parents to leave for half an hour to play with your friends, right? You are going now to play with your friends. What you are telling? Please mama, leave for half an hour. I'll relax and I'll come back soon. Then I'll complete my work. You are telling no? That is what? Of recreation. That means activities make us feel refreshed and relaxed. We love playing different games with our friends. Are you playing children? Nowadays we are playing Ludo, Carom, Chess, etc. These all games are what? Indoor games. Are you going outside children nowadays? No, we can't go. Right? So now, indoor games are games we play inside the house or school. Board games such as Ludo, Snakes and Ladders, Carom, Scrabble and Chess are popular in indoor games. The games that are played outside the buildings in open spaces are known as outdoor games. Badminton, cricket and football are popular outdoor games. Turn the page children. Now the next topic, other people around us. There are some of us who are differently abled. That means here you can see in this picture children, a boy is reading a book by sitting in the wheelchair because the boy cannot walk. So these are known as differently abled people. Some of these people may not be able to use one or more of their body parts properly. They might not be able to see, hear or speak. See means blind, hear or speak. Hear means deaf or dumb. Okay. Some of them might not be able to walk. They may need to use a wheelchair to move around. Here you can see in this picture children. And in the outside also we can see many of them are using wheelchair because they are unable to walk. Their legs doesn't work. All these people are called differently abled people. However, differently abled people find their own ways of doing things. All we need to do is to encourage them and be kind. We have to encourage them for their efforts. We have elderly people such as our grandparents living with or near us. We must give them time. Are you giving, children? You are giving your time for your grandparents? Are you sitting with them? Playing games? Yes or no, children? If you don't, then do so. Your grandparents will be more happier. They feel loved when we sit and talk to them. At home, we can take care of the elderly by giving them food, medicines, and other things they need. We should not talk loudly or make noise when they are resting. Yes or no, children? Are you shouting? When they are resting, are you shouting, children? Don't do. They'll get irritated. Okay, children? So, these are all the few topics. Now, we have gone through about neighbors, friends and other people around us in the lesson Together in My World. That's all for today, children. Thank you. See you again in the next class. Bye-bye. Take care.